my friends. Today is our day two, and the topic is discipline over comfort. And in this topic, I will talk 20 minutes and I will give my thoughts about discipline over comfort. So let's go start our video. So, friend, you know that discipline is most important for growing your life, for developing your life, and if you want to achieve anything in your life, then discipline will be work for you. Even the most high achiever person like Cristiano Ronaldo in football, Virat Kohli in cricket, and in politics, Barack Obama and Abraham Lincoln, you can observe that his dedication, his discipline is the in the top level. So in the video we will discuss about that how we can make discipline of our motivation, of our comfort. So you know students that motivation is always overrated. मतलब motivation आपको कुछ short period के लिए आएगा, लेकिन if you want to be in the long term, in the long marathon, then you will have to develop your routine, you will have to develop your mindset, you will have to develop your discipline. So in the video I will discuss about discipline, how you can make discipline. So if you want to achieve any discipline, suppose that discipline is consistency. If you are consistent, then you are disciplined. You are consistent in your study, not anything else. Okay. So suppose that you are doing any work, right? You are doing always 30-minute calculation. Okay. So motivation, I will talk about first motivation. Suppose that your friend told you that you are not good in calculation, and you feel that yes, I am not good at calculation, and one day I will be good in the calculation, and you become motivated and you do. But after some days you feel, oh, I do not want to do calculation. So that is motivation that you do for some days. But what is discipline? Discipline is that in any circumstances, okay, I will do 30 minute calculation. Even my mood is good, my mood is bad, my mood is moderate, this does not matter, only I will do 30 minute. Okay, motivation does it not needed. I will do every day and every day and every day for 30 minutes. This is my consistency, this is my discipline, this is my mindset. So this is your mindset. Okay. But I am using but, not using and in this video, because there will be a contrasting. But many students stuck with constructive negative feeling. Suppose that you are they are telling yourself that you are students, you cannot watch reels, you cannot watch social media, you cannot sleep late, you cannot talk with friends, you cannot go outside, you cannot do party, you cannot do workout, you have no time. Then you will become very boring. No, you will become very stressed man. Suppose that you are doing work, and you are not fueling your mind with your hobby, with your fastness. So you will become stuck with this feeling. So I will also suggest you a better time management. What is your better time management? Your better time management is you have 24 hours. You will have to develop this into four parts. First, 8 hours of sleep, session 1, session 2, and session 3. And fourth will be your what will be fourth? The fourth will be your 4 hours of. In these 4 hours you can waste your time, you can make YouTube video, you can do workout, you can waste your time with family member, you can invest your time anywhere. Okay. So sometimes you feel that you are not growing, sometimes you feel that you are wasting time, sometimes you feeling that I am stuck with my life, I do not deserve it life. But this is illusion. All the thing is illusion which you are thinking. You are now making video. Now I am feeling this air, this is my present, this is power of now, and this is everything. Okay, this is everything. And I think that you have always time, you have always you have always time, and you are the person, you can hold decision of yourself. Okay. Anybody कैन नॉट सपोज दैट सपोज दैट मैं क्या मैं यहाँ पर रहता हूँ, आई मैं रहता हूँ विलेज में, आई लिव एट विलेज, देर इज़ नो एनी, मेरे को यहाँ कोई नहीं रोक सकता, मतलब आई हैव ए प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम विच आई वांट टू डू आई कैन डू, बट समटाइम्स आई एम फीलिंग दैट आई हैव नो टाइम, आई एम वेस्टिंग माई टाइम, आई एम वॉचिंग फोन, बट दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रूली my decision. It's depend on me. If I want to do calculation, then I'll do calculation. If I want to do if you want to watch movie, then watch by movie. So this is my decision making process. So you will have to develop it, ये very hard decision making process, okay, in your brain. uh, you will have to enjoy. I मतलब मैं भी वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, आई एम enjoying making video here. And also I will suggest with you that after before 3 months I live at Devghar. There मैं वहाँ पर टाइम नहीं पाता था, आई was not get ये plenty of time to make such a video, and here I have a plenty of time to make such a video, and here I can talk with you confidently. There is no any person who can interrupt me in the video. Because why? Because I have decision, I मेरे पास मेरे हैंड में डिसीजन है, एंड you will have to first of all become independent, not you will have to hold any british over your front of you, because you will first of all you will have to independent in your thought, independent your body, and independent from your family. Because if you want to create any if you want to achieve, if you want to create, if you want to मतलब if you want to achieve anything, then you first of all you will have to independent in your life, then you can achieve anything. And I think that self care self improvement is the most important thing in your life. If you do not do self care, if you are not doing self improvement, then you will not feel confidence, and if you will not feel confidence, then you can practice any question, then you can do anything, but in the exam hall you will feel stuck, you will feel unmotivated, and your exam will be ruined. So you will have to develop this type of confidence. Here what is my purpose towards making this sort of video? There is only one purpose, to motivate you, to encourage you, and to learn you that becoming a person who want to achieve rank 1 in the SSC CGL exam, then you will have to develop confidence in exam center. You practice ancient India, you practice medieval India, you practice modern India, you practice all GK GS question, you practice all reasoning question, you practice all math question, but in the exam hall your mind is not working well, because of your bad sleep quality, because of your bad health. Why? Because of it's your constructive, you are doing uh, 12 hours work, 12 hours work daily, and you are ignoring your sleep, you are ignoring your physical health, you are ignoring your mental health, you are just watching your phone, and revision and practice. I will. So it is good, friend, but you know that equilibrium is good. Equilibrium is everything in your life. You are not as a machine, okay? And if you also use machine a lot, then it become uh, power off. So take some break. So in Sunday you should take break. In Sunday you should follow your hobby. In Sunday you should talk with your friends. In Sunday you should do what you want. In Sunday you can you should travel. In Sunday you should be independent, okay? Like I enjoy Sunday watching movies, making video, talking with friends, and doing any outdoor activity. I know that in the video you will not understand what I want to tell in the video. Overall, you are confused with my voice, you are confused with my sense of humor, that what is my real purpose. Then my real purpose is only that you will secure any government exam in SSC CGL exam, and also this is also my mindset, okay? And this is also my mindset यार, कि मतलब but no, I will not live in my future. I love my present. You should also love your present if you want to do anything in your life. Okay, you know that in in every 5 sentences I will tell you want to achieve something, do something. I am stuck with my thoughts. That's what I am. My friend, my real purpose is learning English to speak English fluently like Raj Shamani and Ranveer Alavaria, and for it I am watching Hollywood movies. I am making YouTube videos and talking with also AI with English in English. This is my real purpose. Okay, but I know that one day will come, that day I will speak English very fluently. All the person want to speak English with me, and I will travel America, I will travel England, I will travel Mars, I will travel each and every place situated in the earth. Okay, you, you should imagine that in our planet there are 8 planets and you are living in earth, but if you have no ability to travel your own earth, then what is the real meaning of your life? Okay, what is the real meaning of your life if you have not authority, if you have not capability to travel your own earth? You are stuck with your small mind, that what will think that this person, what will think this person. Okay, you will have to courage to be disliked. Okay, you should not be prisonized in your own world. You should not be prisonized in your own world. You should be not prisonized in your own self. Okay, the world is very big, the world is very huge, this world is very massive, this world is very vast. You should travel, you should travel, and you should take the you should take excitement to do adventure. Okay, the world is for adventure and human is also for adventure, for not living in this single room and typing in computer. Okay, and say share market is this is this sort of not the real meaning of life. Okay, you know that before 1,000 year 2,000 year, when homo sapiens are not existent, the time we live at a that time we live at a forest in cave. That time we have only two things needed. First is shelter and second thing is food. uh, After 1,000 year, only one thing is added, that is clothes. That is only clothes. Okay, okay. This home is my shelter, and this tree is my food. Okay, uh, but this clothes, only this clothes added. But when this clothes added, this color at strand woman thinking level, ये lot of इधर उधर क्या क्या कहें भाई साहब, attitude, ego, loyal. I do not want to tell this type of word, but this is my mistake. Okay, now what I tell in the video, I do not want to tell anything that students, my friends, and who watch the video, I will tell only one thing, students, that now you are human. You are 10 years old, you are 20 years old, you are 13 years old, you are 14 years old, does not matter. You can breathe, you can feel, this is enough. Okay, so what is the real purpose of life? What should be the real purpose of life? So I think the real purpose of life should be mindfully living. This does not matter that you are smoking. Yes, smoking is also the part of life. But when you smoking, then your concentration level should be only in the smoking. If you are eating, then your concentration level should be only on your eating. If you are study, that time your focus should be only in study. Okay. So this is the life. Okay. Now I am here and my concentration is here. my concentration is not going like that. What I will do after making video, uh, what I will do after that, what will think people about me. I do not think this stuff. Because why? Because I know that living in present is the realist and the happiest moment. Today I wake up at 9 a.m. I will I did my meditation session, but I did not do any productive study. Because why? Because I know that today is Sunday, and also I watched 3 hours movie, and it helps, it helps. And what will happen if I watched all the movie in English which I watched in the past? Suppose that I watched a lot of movie in the lockdown. If I watched all the movie in English version, then you can understand where will हमारा जो मोटिवेशन लेवल, हमारा जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल, जो हमारा इंग्लिश एजुकेशन लेवल, हमारा जो स्पोकन इंग्लिश लेवल कहाँ तक होता, कहाँ तक हम इंग्लिश को बोल पाते हैं. सो दोस्त, हमें ना सीखना चाहिए. जैसे कि राज सहानी से मैंने एक चीज़ सीखा कि जो इंग्लिश लर्निंग है ना भाई साहब, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. और मूवी का सबटाइटल देखने से बहुत ही हेल्प मिलता है इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में. सो आई वास्ट मिशन इम्पॉसिबल फॉल आउट इन हिंदी. आई वास्ट अलादीन हिंदी. Okay, I watched Witcher in Hindi, but today I understood that this was totally devastating. This was totally a big mistake. That I should not watch the movie in Hindi. I should watch the movie in English. Today I watched what the Wall Street in English. Today I understand that yes, watching English movie in the subtitles is truly good for your communication skills, for your interpersonal English, and for your comprehension. So, my friends, I will tell only one thing, that live your life happily, live your life happily, live your life presently, live your life. You should understand the power of now. Don't go in the future, don't go in the past, be in the present and feel it, experience it, explore it, adventure it. Don't waste your time, don't indulge in the bad activities, don't indulge in the negative thinking. Do hard work. Don't want shortcut, because there is no any shortcut of success. If you want shortcut, then you will got only short term success. If you want to do a long term success, then hard work is only one asset you should avoid, you should achieve, you should accomplish. Okay, there is no any shortcut of any success. So work hard my boy, work hard my boy, work hard my boy, and work hard my boy. And keep patience in your heart, in your mind, in your soul, in your body. Believe in the cosmos, believe in the body of yourself. You will be success in one day. Don't think what will think people about me, what will think about my career. There will no time in the age of modern times. Okay, they will think about you, and you should also be courage to be disliked. What you want, you should do. You have only one life, you have no one left life, and you have also no 2 years in your life. You have maximum 70 years. You know that the life expectancy rate of India is 69 years, and this is your life 70 years, and you live 20 years average. Now you have only 30 to 40 years. Then the decision is, their decision is in your hand. You will waste your time, or you will explore your time. Okay, so if you like this video, then comment, subscribe, and share with your friends if you want this type of knowledgeful video, and if you want to increase your value in your friends, family, and also in yourself. Thank you.